Hey everyone, it's Matt here from McDonough and BID Canada. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about something we have been working on that we are really excited about, and that is the Alpha Truss. It is a new approach to conveyor system design that we feel is going to make a pretty big difference for a lot of operations. If you work around conveyor systems, you know how frustrating it is when a layout change suddenly turns into a huge engineering project. You want to move a line, upgrade equipment, or increase capacity, and next thing you know, you are dealing with weeks or months of redesign work, new drawings, new installation plans, and downtime that nobody can afford. It slows everything down, and it becomes a bottleneck that does not need to be there. We kept hearing that over and over again, and honestly, we have lived it ourselves through countless projects. So we asked the question, why are conveyor systems still being built in a way that cannot adapt? Why are we rebuilding instead of reconfiguring? Why are we stuck with rigid structures that have to be redesigned every time something changes? That is what led us to develop the Alpha Truss. The Alpha Truss is a patent-pending modular conveyor system designed to be stronger, faster to install, and easier to adjust as operations evolve. It uses standardized components and a modular truss structure that can be configured without starting from scratch each time. Instead of redesigning the whole system, you can expand, shift, or modify sections much more efficiently. At the end of the day, it is about flexibility and time. Less downtime, less engineering rework, less interruption to production, and more control for the people who are actually running the operation. We designed Alpha to solve real pain points we see every day. Long lead times, costly redesign cycles, maintenance challenges, installations that drag out far longer than they should. Systems that cannot grow when the business needs to grow. The Alpha Truss is designed to support change instead of slowing it down. If you are working through future planning or looking at a conveyor upgrade, we put together a resource that you might find useful. It's called the Conveyor System Buyer's Checklist, and it covers the key questions to ask and the things that really matter when making a decision. You can download it on our website. If you want to talk about an upcoming project, or you are curious about how modular design could fit into your facility, reach out and we would be happy to chat. We are always interested in hearing what challenges people are facing and how we can solve them.